Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add the websites as a shortcut icon on your home screen in Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. And to do this, we'll need to launch our Google Chrome, then find whichever website you want to add as a shortcut. Then click on these three dots in the top right corner of our screen and move to Add to Home Screen. Here you'll be able to name your icon however you like, and when it's ready, click on Add, Add again, and go back to your home screen. Here's the icon, click on it to open this website instantly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.